I believe this is a new Mandela effect. This video was found by Sandy Diva, an elephant picking up trash. This video is going to have 3 Mandela effects with wild animals.
Yeah? Does that mean you want more dinner? Yeah?
Say thank you.
I love you!
I love you.
I love you. I love you.
Animals can talk and speak. Now they're asking for help. Remember, these are wild animals. They can tear you up apart in a minute. This never happened in my reality.
Pay attention. Suddenly, a giant whale emerges from the water, blocking the yacht's path and continuing to emit sounds, howling incessantly. Staring at the enormous whale, the boat's occupants become extremely frightened. Is she hungry and wanting to eat the people on board? At this moment, the whale keeps circling the yacht, reluctant to leave. The captain, an experienced sailor, realizes that the whale must be in some kind of trouble. He immediately calls the marine rescue team. When the team arrives, they follow the whale to this maritime area and dive in to investigate. At this moment, an even larger whale appears before the rescuers, but it is trapped in a huge fishing net. The whale seems to be in great distress. It turns out that the baby whale risked its life to intercept the yacht, just to ask for help for its mother. Without the intervention of these brave individuals, the mother whale could have been doomed here.
Pay attention to how a wild hearse suddenly appears in front of the old man. Then, astonishingly, it blocks the old man's path. Initially, it was thought to be asking for food, but its subsequent behavior leaves people puzzled. It runs away and then comes back. It makes several rounds and refuses to leave. It appears very anxious. As the old saying goes, strange behavior must have a reason. Presumably, this hearse encountered some difficulties. So, the old man decided to follow and see what's going on. The horse are leading the way in front. The old man follows closely behind. After more than 10 minutes of long trekking, dense forest, and arrives at a swampy area. It seems that this horse has been trapped for a long time and hasn't eaten. At this moment, the horse is barely alive. Rescuing it won't be easy. After securing a horse rope, the old man tries to drag the horse out of the mud.
This is a mama deer asking for help because the baby is stuck in the pool.
Heartwarming connections is between dogs and other animals. Today, we're going to show you our favorite heartwarming moment. Dogs communicate with animals using gentle, playful gestures, showing how friendships don't need words. Dogs tend to adopt, protect, and nurture baby animals from birds, rabbits, to kittens. So sweet! Look at this pup form a unique and unlikely friendship with these lions and tigers, breaking stereotypes about animal relationships. Look at how they are so adorable together. Experiencing these moments brings a smile to our faces and fills our hearts with joy.
I see it, but I don't believe it. Look at this wild animal acting like a cat. In my reality, this lion would have did a lot of damage to these people. Now you're going to see wild animals being friends with domesticated animals.
Winnie, are you making a bed up there? You good with that? You good with it?
This has been a Penguinati production. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. If you'd like to support the channel, links are in the description.